Imagine you are driving normally, 1 second of distraction, one bad brake, one blind turn, and suddenly, bang! You have hit another car. Or worse, you are doing everything right and someone else crashes into you. In those first 10 minutes after the accident, you can either protect yourself, your family, your insurance claim, and your legal position, or you can make one stupid mistake that costs you lakhs, delays your claim, or creates police trouble. And the biggest mistake might not be the accident itself. The biggest mistake might be what people do after the accident. Running away, arguing, saying sorry, my fault on camera, paying cash on the spot, moving an injured person incorrectly, starting repairs before the insurance survey, filing an online complaint and assuming that legal work is done. So in this video, I'll give you a simple step-by-step guide for two situations. 1. You hit another car with your car, or 2. Another car hits your car. One quick disclaimer. This is a practical road safety and insurance guide based on Indian laws and official sources. It is not personal legal advice. If the accident involves serious injury, criminal allegations, drunk driving, or a major compensation claim, please speak to a lawyer. But for most drivers, this video will tell you what to do in real world in plain English. This is one of those videos you don't need every day, but the day you need it, you really need it. So don't forget to save it and share it with your friends and family. Step 1. Stop and check for injuries. After any accident, the first thing to do is to stop safely. Switch on the hazard lights, check for fire, fuel, leak, traffic danger, broken glass and injuries. Do not run away. Under the Motor Vehicles Act, if you are involved in any accident, you have duties to stop, help the injured, share details, and report the accident where required. If anyone is injured, unconscious, bleeding, trapped, confused, or complaining of neck, chest, or breathing trouble, please call 112 immediately. Do not drag injured people around unless there is immediate danger, like fire, smoke, or other vehicles hitting them. If there is a motorcycle involved, do not remove the rider's helmet unless breathing is blocked and you know what you are doing. Please don't give food, water, alcohol, or random medicines to someone badly injured or unconscious. Because your job is not to become a doctor. Your job is to call for help and avoid making things worse. Step 2. Take photos before moving the car. If it is safe, take photos and videos before moving any vehicles involved in the accident. Capture everything shown on the screen right now. If there is no serious injury and the cars are blocking traffic, photograph first, then move them to the side. But if there is serious injury, drunk driving suspicion, major impact, or police instructions to wait, please don't disturb the scene unless safety demands it. Step 3. Exchange details. Exchange and photograph everything shown on the screen right now. If the other driver refuses, don't fight. Note the registration number, record what you can safely record, and call the police. And please, don't say anything like, "It was my fault, I will pay for everything, no need for police. Let's settle full and final right here, right now." Now let's move on to both the scenarios. Scenario number 1, you hit another car. If you hit another car, don't panic and please do not run. Stop safely, check for injuries, call 112 if needed, share your details, take photos, and inform your insurer. If it is just a tiny scratch and nobody is hurt, you can take a practical call. But if there's injury, major damage, a commercial vehicle, an uninsured vehicle, a drunk driver, an underage driver, missing documents, or a serious dispute, involve the police and your insurer as well. Please refrain from paying large cash amounts on the spot just to escape the embarrassment. Because today they might say, "Bas bumper ka paisa de do," and tomorrow they may claim injury, hospital bills, or even bigger damage. And please make sure to not start any major repairs before the insurance survey. Towing and basic safety work are fine, Full repair before the survey can damage your claim. Now let's move on to scenario number 2. Another car hits your car. If someone hits your car, control your anger because anger is not evidence. Immediately capture their registration number, the make, model and color of their car, the driver's face if it is safe, any damage to their car, the direction they came from, the direction they went and whether they fled or not. If they run away, please don't chase them dangerously. Just call 112 and report the number, vehicle description, direction and location of the accident. But if they stay, please exchange documents and record evidence and do not accept pressure like police ko mat bulao, insurance mat involve karo, cash main de dunga. For a tiny scratch, this might be fine. Use your judgment, but modern cars hide pretty expensive damage behind bumpers like sensors, cameras, mounts, radiator support, suspension parts. A quick cash settlement might not be the smartest decision. Remember, documents first, decision follows. Now let's talk about when to call the police. Call the police or go to the nearest police station if anything shown on the screen right now has happened. If no police officer is present and the case needs reporting, report it to the nearest police station as soon as possible and within 24 hours where required. Also, please remember, for new cases, India now uses BNS and BNSS, not just the old IPC and CRPC terminology. For serious accidents, do not rely only on online complaints. State portals vary. Emergency means 112. Simple as that. A serious accident means proper police reporting. Simple as that. Now let's talk about the insurance basics. Call your insurer immediately. Tell them everything shown on the screen right now. Ask for a claim number, ask if a surveyor must inspect the car, ask whether to use a cashless garage or reimbursement. And it goes without saying, but keep every document. Photos, videos, FIR or police report if applicable, driver licenses, RCs, insurance, PUC, garage estimates, tow bills, repair invoice, medical papers, MLC, hospital bills, literally each and every document you can get your hands on. And ask about the no claim bonus. A small claim can affect your NCB unless your policy protects it. Sometimes claiming is smart, sometimes it is financially dumb. Please ask first. If someone is injured, this is not just a car repair matter, it goes beyond it. Medical records matter, police records matter, MLC matters. And Good Samaritans in India are legally protected when they help accident victims in good faith. There is also a cashless treatment scheme for road accident victims at designated hospitals with cover up to Rs 1.5 lakh per victim for up to 7 days subject to scheme rules. If the offending vehicle cannot be identified, it may become a hit and run case. Official compensation is shown on the screen right now. This is not for bumper scratches, it is for death and grievous hurt where the offending vehicle is unknown. A good driver is not just someone who avoids accidents. A good driver is someone who knows what to do when things go wrong. So please save this video and share it with your friends and family. Because after a crash, panic might be expensive, but evidence is always protection.